Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is TrueSend Topwater Fishing Lures. TrueSend Fishing Lure Set uses a double blade tail design that rotates that produces a powerful sputter while it is moving over the water, creating the sound and disturbance that fish can't ignore. It is also roll resistant and works well at a range of speeds. It is interesting to note that when the massive bass eats the bait, the tail of its mouth will close to stop the fish from spewing the bait out. Fishing baits come with an extra weight placed on the belly that allows you to control berry center with ease and allow it easier to cast further distance without difficulty. If you are able to quickly and steadily reel in the bait, its spinning tail will spin and splash water. It's hard to get bass hooked on. Great size and stunning colors provide a truly immersive experience. With 3D holographic eyes and a fully hand-coated body, and realistic scales for fish. The fishing lures are quite delicate and clear that resembles the real thing. An ideal swim bait that fools fish that are in the area. Number 2 in this best lures for spring bass fishing list is Charm You Bass Fishing Lure. This lure for fishing bass can be utilized to catch the bass, perch, yellow pike, walleye, muskie and trout, roach and more. This particular swim bait is suitable for freshwater as well as saltwater and works well across all layers of water. It is designed with a 6-segment multi-joint body. The fishing lure kit sinks slow and move with ease in the water. In addition, the lifelike swimming movements will attract more fish and can entice predator fish to strike. With realistic looking eyes and a pearl coating, this bait appears so soft and clear that it is akin to an actual fish. It is a perfect bait for fishing that is able to fool target fish. Made from high-end ABS material, and with an inbuilt steel ball, the Vib lure will continuously emit the bass sound when swimming to trigger the hunger of fish and encourage them to fight. Hooks are of the highest quality and are extremely sharp, which provide the highest possible force of penetration, and the crochet hooks with trident make it difficult for fish to get away. Our third choice is TrueSend Fishing Lures. This lure for fishing bass can be used to catch yellow perch, bass pike, walleye, trout, muskie, roach and snook, salmon, etc. This swimming lure is suitable for saltwater as well as freshwater, and is effective across all different water layers. It is designed with a multi-jointed, 8-segment design. TrueSend Fishing Lure can sink slowly and then move in the water. Additionally, its lifelike swimming motions make it more attractive to more fish and prompting prey fish to attack. With 3D realistic looking eyes and pearl-coated coating, this swimming bait appears extremely delicate and vibrant and resembles the real thing. An ideal fishing bait that can easily fool fish. Made of top quality ABS material, and with an integrated rattle, this lure emits a continuous fish sound waves when swimming to trigger the desire to feed a fish and entice them to strike. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in this best lures for spring bass fishing list is TrueSend Fishing Lures. This is a great fishing lure that can easily fool the intended fishes. With realistic 3D eyes and a pearl coating, this lure appears quite delicate and clear, which resembles an actual fish. With a multi-jointed 6-segment design, TrueSend Fishing Lure can sink slowly and move easily within the water. Additionally, its lifelike swimming movements make it attractive to larger catches and encouraging predator fish to attack. Made from high-quality ABS material and with an integrated rattle, This lure emits a continuous sound of a fish during the swimming phase to trigger the appetite of fish and make them strike. This lure for fishing bass is commonly employed to capture bass, yellow perch walleye, pike trout, muskie, roach and the snook, salmon etc. This is a great swim bait for fresh and saltwater and works well in all different water layers. For details, let's watch more. Our fifth and last choice is Gondo fishing lures. These fishing lures come with precisely engineered shapes that has stereo 3D fish eyes, as well as realistic scale patterns that make the fish look more vibrant and real, akin to an actual fish swimming on the sea. Thanks to the authentic plating process, fishing knife shines brightly in the water. Furthermore, reflections on the surface attract fish, and can cause them to strike. An ideal fishing lure that can easily fool fish. It is great for freshwater and saltwater, and work effectively in all water layers. The bass and trout fishing lures are used extensively and are carefully chosen to cater to the requirements of the various types of fish you catch. Great for fishing on boats in the ocean and ocean rock fishing, beach fishing on the ocean, lake, river reservation, pond and stream. All fishing equipment is made of hard plastic and stainless steel, which is hard to remove, and also has durable, anti-corrosion and useful characteristics. The fishing lures for trout and bass received a high-quality processing and longer lifespan over other fishing lures.